Straight up!
Hold on, straight.
Straight here! Straight here! Straight! Talking! Straight here!
On June 24th, 2024, police were pursuing 3 suspects involved in a drive-by shooting that claimed the life of a 70-year-old woman while she was sitting on her porch.
Straight here! Blood! 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 No! Straight! Straighter! Here! Straighter! Straighter! Here! Straighter! 180, my dog jumped over the bridge too, he's in the water. Straight here! Straight! Straight here!
Hey, we need guys on the ground. Somebody go to the fish can.
Straight! Straight here!
Get on the ground. Go on the fish can. Get off here. Don't come
My dog jumped!
Don't come to us. Go to the fish can. Get on the ground. They're swimming to the ground.
Not go to the bridge. They're swimming to the fish can.
Fish can. Jump off the bridge now, let's
216. Hold
in the water. Keep swimming.
Give me your copy.
The only way out is towards the fish can.
Copies, all units, hold your traffic. All right, get back. Get on the rock. He's laying right down here. On the rocks. Go down to the rocks. Get back. Stimmel, I need you to get your dog.
I'm trying. Where's he at, Larry?
Give me your copy. Give me copies, all units, hold your traffic. There, can you see him? Yeah, see it down, hands are, he's down. He jumped from here. Yeah, good. Sit back his door and back him up.
My dog's in the water. How do I get to him?
Anybody else here? The other one's still running. He made it in the water.
Put me your hands now, you getting tagged. Hands! He's on your f***ing hands! Hold on, I got you. Taser!
Got him, train up.
Going off on it.
We all are on top of the bridge.
I'll give it to you again, bro.
Hey, what's the thing? Where's our position?
Larry, I'm trying to get to the water. Can you see my dog still? Straight here! Can anybody see my dog? Straighter! He's okay. Straighter!
Get on the pilot.
All right, I'm coming.
Which pilot? Straight out from us. The next pilot up from y'all. We all are on top of the bridge.
Oh, my dog did that.
Hey, whoever's down by the water, call the dog. Call Streeter.
Straighter here! Straight here, straight! Straight here, boy! Here, boy!
Call for the dog. Get the dog out of the
Straight here! Straight here, buddy! Straighter! Straighter! Here, buddy! Here, buddy!
Right ahead. Straight up ahead.
I'm on you.
Second pilot.
We got eyes? You're sinking? I got you. You're okay. I got you. What are y'all driving? Hey, baby. Come here, Streeter. Streeter, come here. Hey, buddy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come here, baby. You're okay, buddy. Hey, you on the best. You take him. We're going forward.
Hey, I got a boat caught too.
It's the last day of this uniform, anyway. The last day you're Yeah, no shit. Live. Come on, buddy. I didn't think he would do that. He went right behind them.
How many are down there? We're gonna have to.
I think 2. I think there's 2 at least.
He's
Hey,
I didn't think he would. I couldn't stop him. He was like right behind them. He took that 40-foot launch.
his arms are top.
I gotta take him. I gotta get him to the vet. To the vet.
Duck down again in the weed.
42 minutes. Somebody with Stimmel we need to get. Make sure he goes to the vet.
I'm 26. I'm almost back to the car, Larry. Let the emergency vet know I'm on the way. Escaping. Good boy, Street. Here, Platts. Good boy.
216, you got a hot mic. Correction, 206.
Come on, Street. Let's go.
You got a hot mic, it's clear.
This way.
Yes, sir.
To him?
Alright, 10-4.
Water, I mean, 40-foot drop into water?
Waterway that's to the east of us.
Load, buddy. Load.
You got first right, but another 6 foot.
Oh my God. He jumped off the top of the ridge after them. I'm about to go to the vet, I think so.
42.
42, go ahead.
Come on, to the next.
During the operation, K9 Streeter narrowly escaped serious harm, but was later examined and cleared by emergency veterinarians. He even posed for a few photos with the veterinary staff afterward. In recognition of his courage and dedication during the incident, K9 Streeter was awarded the Medal of Courage. Of the 3 suspects, one died from injuries sustained after a 40-foot fall. Another received a life sentence, and the third suspect's case remains ongoing in court.